Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the exact Google Sheet you need. Once the sheet is loaded, focus on the browser address bar. That URL holds the ID. You want the segment that appears after /d/ and before /edit or the next slash. Copy that alphanumeric string. It's the sheet ID used by APIs and sharing links. Make sure you copied only the characters between the slashes and not extra punctuation or parameters that follow. Now you'll extract it precisely. Click the address bar and select the portion that lies between /d/ and the next /. Once selected, copy it with Ctrl+C or the contextual menu. This prevents grabbing query parameters such as USP equals sharing that can break API calls. If you plan to paste into code or a form, paste into a plain text editor first to verify no hidden characters are included. This step prevents common. Finally, paste the sheet ID into your script, API client, or sharing dialog where requested. If you encounter an access error, make sure the file's sharing settings permit your account or the API service to view the document. Adjust link sharing to anyone with the link if needed. If results still fail, double-check the ID by reopening the sheet and reselecting the segment between /d/ and the next slash. Typos or extra characters are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.